just arrived guys in Berlin Central Station. I think I have to go back from there because there's no welcome to Berlin Central Station. We are here in Germany guys. So kakarating nga lang natin guys sa Berlin Central Station at nandito na tayo ngayon. Ayan, sa Germany. So pupunta na ako ngayon sa hostel diretso. Makakuha din tayo dito ng ng ticket going to Switzerland. Tanong ako mamaya ako ngayon sa information center. Then ayan. Ang lamig, grabe. Kasi kuya. Information center andun. Ayan, doon tayo. Grabe. Dumating ako dito alas 8 ng gabi kasi na-cancel kasi yung flight namin trip. Ayun, may ticketing area from doon. Ito information center. Dito tayo magtatanong. Dito. So meron din namang Burger King dito sa Germany train station central sa Berlin. So pwede kayong magano dito. Bumili na lang. Abholen 12 euro. 11 to 15 euro. So yun yung mga prices. Affordable naman siya. So ito yung entrance guys. Ayun lang yung hotel ko. Mabato lang yung train station. So ito yung entrance information center. Pwede kayo magtanong dyan. Tapos ayan, sa baba yung ticketing area, ticketing booth. At saka ito yung main central station ng Berlin sa Germany papuntang different countries. So dito ako kukuha ng ticket papuntang Switzerland, Zurich. So pababa yan dyan. So ayan yung information center. And ayan cute ng mga bata. Sige, bye bye. Update ko kayo mamaya. So guys, ito na nga, nakakuha na ako ng ticket going to Switzerland. Dito lang kukuha ng ticket Nasa ground floor lang siya ng ng Berlin Central Station. So malapit lang yung hotel ko din, hostel ko. Abot ka mga mabato nga lang eh. Tapos kuha kayo dito ng kung gusto niyo mag-walk-in. Mura lang naman eh. 199 to 200 euros papuntang Zurich, Switzerland. So ito siya, mababait naman yung pwede kayo mag-ATM, debit card, credit card, or cash, pwede naman. So ayan lang malapit. Sige, bye-bye kasi gagala na ako. So ayan guys, Rizi Centrum, DB, ganyan. Yan yung kuha na ng ticket, nakakuha na ako ng ticket. Ayan, 199 euro to 200. Then information center, kuha lang kayo ng number, then tingnan niyo yung yung screen, i-call yung numbers niyo, pupunta kayo dun sa counter, then magbayad kayo. So ayan, pwede din kayo mag-ATM kung gusto niyo, ayaw niyo ng hassle. So that would be all guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. So nandito na nga tayo guys. Papunta tayo sa Braden Gate. Ayan. Ito yung madadaanan natin. Galing, yan yung train station yung main central. Gilid lang yan yung hostel namin. So, pupunta tayo ngayon dito. Madadaanan yung mga government building na yan. At saka ito. Ayan, meron akong kasama. Ka-roommate ko. Tapos, biyahe din siyang Austria. Biyahe din ako mamayang Switzerland. So, ang ganda ng place. O, diba? So, welcome to Berlin. We are in Germany. So we are in the Dem Dutchen Vok building. It's a government building, guys. So there are some students here, and there is also line from here. They're taking the ticket for a tour. Actually, on that area, that red guy, we can take a city tour for 34 euros. It will be from around 9 AM until 6 PM, and they will be going to the whole city of Berlin for only 34 euros. So you will be we will be riding a bus. There's a red orange bus somewhere else from this area, and yeah, that's it. So sa labas madami siyang tourist. Ayan, oh. Ayun sila. At ito yung Braden Gate. May mga ano din dito, may mga tourist din. So papasok na tayo. Napakalawak na ano nito, lugar. At saka ito yung pinaka highlights dito. Ito siya. Yan. So turn off muna natin. So we are with our fellows here in the Braden Gate. You guys from where? Spain. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And of course, they are from Spain and my friends from Japan. Easy. So nandito pa rin tayo ngayon. At may nakita kami dito, Madame Tussauds. Ito yung famous na gumagawa ng mga famous statue or mannequin ng famous celebrities and famous people. Nandito tayo ngayon, guys, sa harap ng embassy ng Russia. Ayan, oh. Sa harap lang siya ng Brandenburg Gate. Ito Ukraina. So this place, guys, we are here in the Berlin Cathedral here. This is one of the most visited places here in Germany, Berlin. So he's heading to some museum and he's going to Austria today, and I'm going to Netherlands. Nice to meet you here, actually. Yeah. Andrew, and again
I'm Shauki.
Shauki, and I'm from the Philippines, and he's from Japan. So see you guys in Japan. Soon we'll be going there soon. Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you. Take care always. Okay, be safe.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.